It's on video, right? Okay, this is the air fryer oven, which is also a rotisserie, and it has the air fryer basket mesh tray with a handle to take it out when it's hot. And it has the back rack, cooking rack, has a drip pan, and of course the directions, and then a cookbook for the air fryer. I would like to show you how easy it is to change the temperature. Well, that's for the time. Let's go back to the temperature. You can increase it or you decrease it. When you would like to do the time, same thing. If you want, well, you can increase the time or you can decrease the time. Let's say you would like to do some French fries. You can set your temperature. You don't have to worry about the time. And you can just go over here to fries and then push the start. It has steaks, wings, chicken, veggies, toast, dehydrator, or seafood. So it's super, oh, and the rotisserie. Super easy to use. You don't really have to think about it very much. It's a good little size to sit in any little nook you have. I would recommend it. We made the tater tots in here, the bacon wrapped tater tots last night. Absolutely delicious. Took 10 minutes, start to finish. Okay, that's all.